Hi, this is the game Patchwork Doodle. It's a flip and write game, which means we flip cards and then we write onto our game board. This is what the game board looks like. It's a 9x9 grid. If you don't have the game board, no problem. Just make a 9x9 grid. So the way this game works is there's 3 rounds. In each round, we'll have cards and we'll draw 6 of these cards on our board. And after the end of each round, you have to try to get the biggest square possible, and you'll get points depending on your square, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. There's also 4 magic powers. The first magic power is you can go left or right. So if I don't like this card, I could go to the left or the right of it. The second magic power is just a 1 piece. So again, if I don't like the card that it's on, well, that is on a 1 piece, I can just draw a 1 piece. Third magic power, you can cut your piece into 2 pieces and use one of the pieces. Fourth magic power, you can use any of the other powers again. So you only get those, for the 3 rounds, you only get to use each one of those once. Okay? And this is how it goes. You will roll the dice. Starts here, roll the dice. 1, 2, 3. So now that is the card I'm going to draw on my board. I can flip it however I want. I'm going to take the card, a little technical difficulty there, and I'm just going to draw it on my board. And I'm going to draw maybe polka dots in it so I can tell it apart. Okay, now my piece is there, and I roll the dice again, and I get a 1, move here. So I'm going to draw that on my board. Maybe I'll draw little trees or something. Those are not the best looking trees. Okay. My guy's there. Roll. I get a 1 again. Okay, so just for the purpose of demo, I am going to use I'm going to use the cutting power. So I'm going to cut this into 2 pieces because I would like a little 2-piece here. Because again, I'm trying to get the biggest square that I can. That's out. Roll the die. It's a 2. 1, 2. And now I have to put that on my board. I can flip it however I want. Roll the die. 3. So my guys are 1, 2, 3. So it's a 1 piece. I don't want a 1 piece at this point. I want this one, so I'm going to use this power right here. And I will draw that one. Okay, so this is out. Now we have these 3. Oh, 1, 2, that's the last one, and I'm drawing it like this. So then that round is over, and we would score our points for that round. So what you do to score your points is you find the biggest square that you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My biggest square is 5 by 5. So for 5 by 5, I get 25 points. And then see how I have this extra row that matches up? I get one, oh no, it's not a complete row, so I only get 25 points. If that had been a complete row, I would get an extra point, but it's not. So I would just get 25 points for that round. Every round works the same. Once you've used a magic power-up, it's done for the whole game. And then at the end of the game, you score all of your rounds and you minus any blank spaces that you have. And so that's how you play Patchwork Doodle. Thank you. Have fun.